Alright, well, we're here to deliver the BMW. It goes back to this gated community back here. He said to park out here because there's this big turn lane. Oh, this is the small dent from hitting the gator. See some marks on there, but it's like, it'll come out. But it's got this turn lane here, and now that I saw one alligator, now I'm scared that they're gonna be everywhere. But I got this turn lane. I'm gonna go ahead and unload it right here. He said he'd meet me out here. You know, I always talk about how nice these side doors are. Look at where this tire is for me to strap and unstrap it. Bike rode great. Corvette's doing great. And that, my friends, is how it's done. Touchdown in Florida. Oh, here he comes. I was just getting ready to say I'm sitting here waiting on a customer, but here he comes now. All right, so he must have drove in and I didn't see him. And then he walked back up here. I don't know if he parked or something. It's hard to tell because every car coming into this development is really nice. It's like a couple $1 million house. When I Googled it, it came up on Zillow. But from here we hit Miami, unload the bike, which is just like a holding yard in Miami. COD on the bike, and then COD on the Corvette in Fort Lauderdale, and then that's it for the day. If you want to hold it, I'll take the straps off. Shouldn't go anywhere, but it's a little bent up. Let me get behind it. Hold on. Let me get behind it here. All right. Just don't turn very well. All right, got it? Perfect. It's down there. It ain't gonna hold it. I'm gonna put it up in between, put the up in between two of those tires or something to hold it up, or you want to lay it that way. I thought maybe you could put that tire up in there. Let it lean down on the There you go. Thank you very much. All right, on to the next one. Places like these, kind of gotta use sign language. Nobody really speaks English. It's the same thing when you go to like Jersey, Baltimore, all these, they're exporters. They'll export all these salvage title stuff overseas, so. I know one thing, it's freaking hot down here. And just like that, another car, touchdown in Florida. Sometimes you just gotta get creative to be able to take a shower. We're empty, we're rolling home. Gonna try to get the truck washed, but the line was too long. We got all these cars parked here, and these people aren't going anywhere. They're staying in their cars. So they're not going anywhere tonight. So we're gonna park like this for right now. Go in and grab a shower and get out of here. Well, unfortunately, the mega cab is out of commission. It got rear-ended. The hitch is bent. The receiver itself is bent. Bumper's bent. The tailgate I got to fit back in there okay, but it was all cattywampus. So I'm actually taking it to the body shop today, and they're gonna see how bad the damage actually is. I'm just really thankful that I didn't have any of the kids with me. Oh, hold on. When it happened, I had just dropped my daughter off like a half hour before this, and they were doing like construction road work and came to a stop, and I came to like a, not like a screeching halt, but you know, I was on the brakes pretty good, didn't have a trailer obviously, and I had probably 2-3 car lengths from the car in front of me as I was slowing down, and then I got hit from behind pretty hard. I was sore for a couple days, like airbags didn't go off or anything. I don't think it was hard enough for that, but just the jolt kind of was sore in my neck and my back for a couple days, and just thankful no kids were with me. But other than that, it's just I don't think it's anything major. Obviously, hopefully the hitch is just bent, but since it was somebody else's fault, I'm gonna have my body shop take a look at it. Well, Saturday, little daddy duty. Got a tri-tip cooking over there. Got a fire going. Did have music playing in the Ford. One of the dogs is home from her trip. She wanders off and always comes home. But you can see the 7.3 behind me. I'm actually getting everything together to go. I got to work tomorrow, Sunday. We've got a hot load of freight, which is why I deadheaded 1,100 miles home from Florida to get home and then be empty and be ready for this. And it pays more than enough for me to deadhead 1,100 miles out of Florida, out of anything, after that load that was in South Carolina canceled on me. So we're just, I gotta leave about 3 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. I gotta, no trailer, nothing, drive to Ohio, pick up a 24-foot bumper pull flatbed and run 3 deep on the way to Vermont, and get delivered first thing Monday morning.